Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you that how you can use Lovable.dev for free. So as you can see that I have no credits left in my account, and if I just type anything here, I just get daily limit reached. So how to fix this? You just have to copy the project URL and you just have to open another tab, search Lovable.dev, and you just have to log out from the existing account and you have to log in from another account. You can create or use an existing account. So after logging into another account, you just have to paste that same URL that you copied and just have to hit enter. As you can see that our project is visible, and if you want to resume it you can just click on remix. And as you can see that all the 5 credits are back and you can resume your work. Now one important thing, that if you are using Supabase as your database, then you have to disconnect Supabase first and then copy the URL. Otherwise, if you'll copy the URL directly without disconnecting Supabase, then you will not be able to remix that project.